Hello everyone, today we are going to be playing World of Warships Ranked. We're using USS Farragut, the destroyer. Let's go right into it. Looks like we have subs.
Action stations. Good luck and fair seas. Beschleunigen was. Enemy force sighted on the horizon. Engine boost activated. Problem solved, sir. Torpedoes to starboard. Smoke generator started. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern. Torpedoes astern.
I'll have to get the heck out of here.
Smoke screen set. Torpedoes astern.
Yeah, I don't know. Someone just called me. Osh. Osh, who's gonna reach me? I am actually stupid. Why did I turn? Oh my god, I'm actually stupid. Why did I turn? Oh, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe. And share your video with others. Thank you and goodbye.